So my name is Zhang. I'm from Microsoft. So I'm going to present our work around Microsoft Recommenders, which is the collection of the best practices for production-ready recommendation systems. This work is co-authored together with Andreas and Miguel, and is contributed by a lot of other folks from either Microsoft or people from outside. So firstly, a little bit of background. I believe most of you guys are familiar with the recommendation system. So it's nowadays is widely used in a lot of industries, and especially the online business. You use the recommendations for recommending items or advertisement, etc. Right? So the challenges are actually we have found that the current landscape of the recommendation system research and engineering work is that there's very limited reference and guidance for building the industry level recommendation system. And also the existing packages, they're just focused on some specific aspects of the problems, right? And also, it's the recommendation research is lack of pragmatic knowledge about best practices in industry level development. In addition, if you want to build an end-to-end pipeline from scratch without any useful references, actually, it can be very time-consuming. So on top of that, we developed such kind of Microsoft Recommenders repo, and it's been publicized on the GitHub. It's a repository which is called Microsoft Recommenders, right? So this is the layers of the whole thing we are having in the repo. So there's the infrastructure layer. We are supporting different kinds of framework, and we have the build pipeline to support the CI/CD of the whole code base. And on top of that, we have basically 5 components: the data processing, algorithms, evaluation, operationalization, and some other common utility functions that can support the development, right? So the whole thing are shipped with Python codes, especially you can find some Jupyter notebooks examples to get started with. So what are the best practices? First of all, is that we have a selection of algorithms that for different use cases. And also we adopted evidence-based software design methodology to make sure that all of the APIs are familiar to the data scientists, right? And also everything can be reproducible, so you can easily replicate the things we are providing in the repo. And we have the building pipeline to make sure that all of the codes has been tested so that they are having the good quality. And the last one is that this is the collaborative project. Again, it's not just from Microsoft, but it's in collaboration with all of everybody in the community. So also we highlight a lot of lessons actually we learned from our different engagements with our customers or internal projects, right? So for example, some of the things I would like to highlight here is that in the industry level development of the recommender system, there may be problems like model retraining, hyperparameter tuning, real-time serving, or correlation between offline and online performance. So these are the things that we have learned from our actual work, and we have provided some guidance and advice, and also the code-based examples in the repository for people to adopt it into their own work. Yeah, so that's basically what I want to share with the audience. So if you are interested, you can just go to the GitHub repository to take a look and use any of the code provided in the repository. Yeah, that's all. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Lee. Thank you.